Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and today we have in front of us the Sanremo YOU, and we're going to show you how to steam or froth milk on this wonderful machine. So let's get into the details on how to do it. Okay, the first thing you want to do on this multi-directional wand is try to aim into the drip tray and just bleed out any condensation that may have built up. Probably very little because the valve behind it is allowing any type of condensation buildup to come out. Then we'll take our pitcher, and this is a pretty small pitcher, about 12 ounces, and we're going to turn on the steam. And as the milk is getting air bubbles and frothing, and we're getting some very nice steam buildup. And basically that's it right there. Nice micro froth. And then the pour. Not good at latte art, but very, very tiny bubbles. Sanremo did a really good job building the steam wand and the tip with the amount of steam power that comes out. Hopefully it is as easy for you as it was for me on the Sanremo YOU dual boiler espresso machine on how to steam and froth milk, even low volumes. Thank you for watching. This is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, follow us on social media channels, and as I always say, coffee first, everything else second.